Now, the easiest way to accurately adjust these net to LP cash flows for the subscription line is to look up the outstanding subline balance for each of the dates on this table. And this reveals to us what's really happening with these capital flows. In December 2018, we borrowed $26 million for the first investment, as well as management fees and fund expenses. And then we pay it off when we make the second investment and call capital of $51 million in June of 2019. We borrow again to fund deals number 3 and 4 in December of 2019 and June of 2020, and then the big capital call in September pays off the line and reserves capital for deal number 5, which will close in December of 2020. In June of 2021, we call capital for the 6th investment without using the subline, but we borrow again to fund deals number 7 and 8 in December 2021 and June 2022, and then we pay off the subline with the last big capital call in December of 2022. So there's a lot going on here, but guess what? You do not need to know any of these details to calculate a subline adjusted net IRR. All you need to do is look at that subline balance and measure the change. If it goes up, that's a negative number, and if it goes down, that's a positive number. We can treat these changes just like contributions, and when we move this column over to the left, we get a new set of subline adjusted net to LP cash flows, which provide identical net multiples but a slightly lower net IRR of 12.17%.